Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com, and today I'm very excited because it is my very first RocksBox unboxing in a super long time. I can't even remember when was the last time I got this. For obvious reasons, I have not been going out, so I put my RocksBox subscription on pause, but I decided to start receiving them again because I feel like it puts me in a better mood. It's exciting. It also gives me some really fun accessories to film with. So that is why I have a new unboxing for you. So first, here is the box, brand new style. I have not seen these boxes. Usually previously it was the white box with the flap and the ribbon. So cute new box here. And then we open it up and it still has that card with information about each piece and how much they are worth and how much it costs you. You get a membership discount on most of the products that are included in RocksBox. You get discounts for buying all 3 pieces. That is one of the many reasons why I love RocksBox, in addition to them curating, having a stylist curate pieces based on your aesthetic, your style, what you're into at the moment. So I love that. And a neat little jewelry care card. Here are the 3 little dust bags. Let's just open these up. Now, I think I did pick these out, but you guys know I always, I'm not able to open them up as soon as they get here, so I tend to forget what I ordered or what I selected. So, ooh, this one is, oh, that's right. I think all 3 of these pieces are in the gold chain style. So let me show you the first piece right here. Is a gold chain link ring. What I love about their ring offerings is that they often come in many different sizes, so you can pick a ring for a specific finger. So if you want one for your index, if you want one for your thumb or your middle finger, in addition to, you know, the regular ring finger rings, you can absolutely do that, and I really like that. Okay, I really like this piece. I think it's really, really beautiful. And a nice bright gold. Moving on to the second item. Beautiful, beautiful chain link bracelet right here. It's a really nice cuff, beautiful size, goes really well with the ring. Very, very pretty piece. And then last, but certainly not least, we have a gold chain link necklace. And this one does say it's by Slate. I really like Slate. That's one of the things that I love about RocksBox, is that they've introduced me to new jewelry brands that I hadn't heard of before, and I really, really like. Look at that. That looks great. That's really pretty. That looks great. That's really, really pretty. Oh, I love my pieces. These are beautiful, beautiful pieces. All right, so let's open this up and see what was included in this box. So the Slate Dex Collar necklace retails for $65, but I could purchase it at a member discount of $55. The Slate Luxley cuff in gold retails for $50, but I could purchase it at a member discount of $42. And then the Slate Brooklyn ring retails for $40, but I could buy it at a member discount, and that would cost me $34. If I buy all 3 items, I get an additional $10 discount. RocksBox subscriptions are just $21 a month, but that actually gets turned into a monthly credit in your bank. So if I wanted to buy one of these pieces or all 3, I could get an additional $21 off using that monthly credit. You also get credit for purchasing pieces from your boxes, so all of that adds up and it stays in your bank so that you can use it towards a purchase of something that you really fall in love with and can't bring yourself to return. The reason why I love RocksBox is because you're not committing to pieces forever. I already have a huge jewelry collection. I don't need it to continue to exponentially get bigger. So what this does for me is it allows me to try new brands, new pieces, new trends, and then return them. And basically with RocksBox, I have a bottomless jewelry box. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, then definitely check out the description box below where I link to RocksBox so you can start your membership at a discount and enjoy these pieces as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and share it with your other jewelry loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.